Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you how I prepare my green juice. Right here I have celery, cucumber, kale, cilantro, lemon, ginger, and apple. I think I didn't miss anything. So it's celery, cucumber, spinach, kale, ginger, apple, lemon, and yeah. I'm going to just put this in my juicer. Excuse the knife. Put that in a juicer, and I'm going to show you guys the end result. This should give me juice for enough for a whole day. I'm going to do a big green and big red juice. Stay tuned for the red juice. Okay, you guys, next I have my red juice. It consists of oranges, apples, carrots, pineapple, and beets. Also ginger root. I forgot to cut it up, but I'm about to cut it up now. And I'll show you guys my final results. Alright, you guys, here's my red juice, my green juice. I'm going to store them in these mason jars into the refrigerator for tomorrow. This is enough to last me 2 days because I will also be eating solid fruits and veggies. Yeah, so hope you guys like my video. Yeah, so stay tuned.